founder of Plans, a better family planning for Southeast Asia.
Hi everyone, excited to be here because today I'm going to be sharing with you all about Plans, a digital fertility platform bridging the doctors and the patients. But first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sastia and I'm from Indonesia. All my life, I've been moving around countries in Southeast Asia. But one thing that is very common about my experience is that they will always tell me that I should get married fast so that I can have babies. And the problem is, there was never a conversation or even proper education about how to maintain my reproductive health. Isn't that the most important thing before having babies? Well, there's just not enough resources. And sadly, many of the solutions that the women have in Southeast Asia are illegal. Birth control pills, egg freezing, and some are unrecognized by law, such as even pap smear. And in a region with 76.4 million of women in reproductive age, only 1/5 are properly getting the treatment that they need for their reproductive health. And so, for me and my friends, it's very hard to maintain our reproductive health. Even going to the doctor is very confusing because we just don't know what we don't know. And for all these doctors, they don't even have enough for them, like all the knowledge for them to be able to treat us or like give us proper recommendations. And that creates a dissatisfaction and hindering us from going back to doctors, which potentially has like a loss in market value of $8 billion. And just like that, me, my friends, and many other women in Southeast Asia are not getting a treatment that we need. And so we don't even know, or we can't even make plans in our life because, unfortunately, for us women, everything is related to reproductive health. That is why we build Plans, an AI-powered, data-driven analytic tools assisting women in their fertility health. But first, we also equip the doctors with all these insights on their patients' reproductive health. We combine all of their daily conditions and as well as their monthly records, combining it with their behavior, the user behaviors. And we want to help doctors to have a better insight and understanding on what is going on with the users. And so these doctors can actually give a proper recommendations. And we want to empower all of the women, our users, to take care of their reproductive health very well. And so all of these doctor recommendations will be fed back to the user's app, where they can also put in the records of their daily conditions, their period tracker, and any other monthly data, combining it and with the precision medicine and follow up with the medical recommendations that the doctor gave. We give it back in terms of personalized solutions, specific and down also to their personality. And although there are many solutions available outside of Southeast Asia, we see a gap for the specialized solutions, very specific to Southeast Asia women. Why is it important? Simply because the problem, we have different culture and we have different laws. And so that's where we want to come in, because we also see in other markets where it's more mature, we see a really great traction and we want to bring that back to Southeast Asia. And not only that, we will not stop in just providing both the doctors and our users. We want to assist women throughout their whole fertility journey, their womanhood, while also serving both sides of the users, which is the doctors and the patients. And because we want to serve as many women as possible, we will give the app for free for the women. And as we serving the whole solutions, we get to also solve the medical providers' problem, which is low retention and high churn. And so we get to charge them on the whole flow, starting from commissions on the service, the subscription fee on the dashboard, as well as the patient care management fee. And with that, until now we have served more than 200,000 of women in Indonesia. And these are the women who want to get help and want to manage their reproductive health better. And we're connecting them to more than 100 hospital and clinic as well as lab in 15 cities in Indonesia. And we are growing bigger. We already have interest to other countries in Southeast Asia, such as Singapore, Malaysia, as well as Thailand. And we are right now profitable. And so how are we doing that? As we grow and we build our ecosystem, we work directly with all these service providers. And through that, they're very happy with our service and they're willingly refer our solution to their patients. So our user acquisition has been organic. And not only that, we keep on working with social influencers to also offer our services and our products to more women in Southeast Asia. And with that, I would like to invite you guys to join our journey on our mission to serve 3 million of women in Southeast Asia by 2025. And with your help, and together with our team, we would be able to accelerate all of this, and so get a traction of $2 million in revenue by the same year, 2025. So, and who else is gonna do it better than us? I'm a second-time founder in FemTech, specifically in Southeast Asia, and my team and the rest of the team has been focusing on programs specifically for women in the region. And so, together with our board advisors, we want to make family planning better with plans. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sastia. Impressive traction, a massive underserved potential. Well done. Any questions for Sastia? Yeah?
You mentioned it was AI driven. How do you interact there? How do you use the AI? How does it work?
Okay, so first we collect the data, and we would like to call ourselves a data company, to be honest. But then using the AI, we're able to kind of accelerate the whole data, the way we're processing it. So instead of like collecting many data that we have, through the AI, we get to be even more personalized. So for example, we set the AI to have a different set of points. So for example, depends on the personality, it depends on the behavior, it depends on the stages, and depends on that thing. And instead of just going through like a data analytics thing, which is a little bit more manual, AI is the one that accelerates the whole thing. For the AI? Oh yeah, we plug in into the AI. I mean, just like the vision of the company itself, we like to collaborate. So many of the things we have for our tech is also based on collaborations or like using some of else's.
All right. Thank you very much, Sastia. If you have any further questions, find her at the product show afterwards. Thank you.